Hello, this is Ponyo, and I'm going to be making a video on how to make a free TeamSpeak 3 server with a custom IP using noip.com. The first thing you're going to want to do is start off on teamspeak.com, go under the download section, and click TeamSpeak 3. Once you're there, a list of download files will show up for according to which your computer is and the client or server file. For me, I'm going to download the Windows 64-bit server file, and it will not take too long. You're just going to have to agree to the terms and conditions or whatever, and it's going to download as a zip file, so you're going to need something like WinRAR or something to open it. Alright, so I am gonna come back when it finishes. Okay, so it finished downloading, and I'm gonna go ahead and extract it here right now, and it's gonna show up as a bunch of folders and some documents, and you're just gonna click on the TS3 server .exe file, and a bunch of other files will show up, and something like this will pop up, and you're gonna wanna copy this giant long pieces of random words and just close it and open your TeamSpeak 3 client, connect, and then what you're gonna want to connect to is local host, and this will connect you to your LAN server. And the thing that you copied just now, you're gonna want to paste it right here, and it will immediately just make you a server admin, and that will enable you to make channels and edit the server. But you're not gonna need that right now, so you could just close the client. Alright, the next part you want to do is to make a custom IP for it. To do that, you're gonna have to make a no IP account, and I'm just gonna open it up in Chrome and sign on to mine. Alright, I signed in already, and once you have made an account or signed in the menu you're gonna want to go to host and redirects, and once you go on it, it's gonna show up like this, and you're gonna want to click on add host, and something like this should show up, and your host name, this is going to be your custom IP. It kind of sucks, but you're going to have one of these names after it. It's pretty annoying, but that's what you have to do. Alright, I'm going to make my YouTube name at noip.org. Is my IP, and update host, and that's basically it. And you're gonna wanna go to the just regular noip.com thing and go down to the bottom. No, never mind. Go to download at the top bar and click download now, and if you're not Windows, there's a Mac and Linux down here, but I'm just gonna download it, and this one shouldn't take long at all. It should take like half a second, and there's gonna be a download wizard really quick. Yeah, once it installs, I'll be back. Okay, so it finished installing, and I'm just gonna launch it right now, and it's gonna look like this. You're gonna have to sign into your no IP account, and alright, I'm gonna sign in. It's gonna authorize, and it's gonna bring up this. When it does this, you're gonna go on edit hosts and select the one that you just made, click it, it's gonna execute, and that's pretty much it. And if you have problems with that, you're gonna just have to port forward TeamSpeak, which you're gonna have to go on your Internet Explorer, not your Explorer, your command prompt, type in ipconfig, and you see your default gateway, type that into your Internet Explorer 1.1. Alright, and everyone's thing will look different, so don't expect yours to look exactly like this. I'm just gonna go here, and so I'm gonna name it TeamSpeak. The port is gonna be 9987. Both of them will be 9987, and you're gonna put it for TCP and UDP. And for the 2 IP address, you're gonna go to your ipconfig again, and then do the IPv4, which for me is 130, but it might be different for you. And you're gonna enable it, and I'm gonna save it. And so I'm gonna continue and go to my TeamSpeak client, and it should work just perfectly right now. And it not just localhost, it should work as the no IP address you selected. Not .no IP.org. So I'm connecting, and it, as you see, it works. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just put in an extra clip of other people joining to show that it works. Alright, as you can see, someone joined my TeamSpeak server that isn't on my LAN IP, so that's pretty much it. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment, do anything, show it to your friends, I don't know, just do something. Alright, that's all.